Hey guys, Mark here. Let me see if I can get the camera up here. Alright, I got something, and anyway, we're gonna have something new to the studio, and it is this. If I can get it open, it's used. Got it today. Pretty cheap. It is a DJI Phantom 4 drone. So we will be having this to the studio. So we'll have this racing, this rock climbing, and this up in the air. So I'll probably try it out tomorrow. I didn't get it till late today, so I didn't get any video, but tomorrow we're gonna try it out. And got a new tablet today too with it, so that will be going on today, and all that. So let me go in here and get the tablet. This is the tablet that goes with it, Samsung tablet, so it's charging. I got the batteries up, and yeah, War Eagle. I got the batteries charged today, so they're full, and that one's full too. So, but we'll check it out tomorrow and see how it does, and should do good. Phantom 4 drone, 4K camera, all that. So we'll go from there. DJI. So anyway, guys, that's it. And anyway, well, I guess we'll cut it there. Just a little video of just showing you what I got here, and then my rock crawler there, and my truggy here that I will be racing. So this thing, I got to get the body cut out more on it and trimmed up and all that. I got to get me a Dremel sometime. But anyway, guys, I will upload this so y'all can see it. And yeah, I still got my fist scale down there. So I got that, and fist scale. So out of all this, we should be able to put some stuff up on YouTube. So anyway, guys, we will check y'all later. Y'all have a great Thanksgiving today. Hope y'all had one. A good Thanksgiving today, and a good weekend coming up. So we will check y'all later. Y'all have a good weekend and a good rest of your Thanksgiving. See y'all later.